So are you struggling with poses? Do you also have problem drawing poses? Do the body proportions not turn out right? So do you also have problem capturing expressions? Don't worry, these are common issues. Every beginner artist faces this. So just watch the video till the end. In this video, I'm going to share 4 such points. By following them step by step, you will learn to draw poses. Practicing shapes is the basic gym of art. It strengthens your creativity to a great extent. Practicing shapes is essential for beginner artists. Why? Let's understand. Complex things can be made simple from shapes. Circle, square, triangle. Example, make head from circle, body from rectangle. But this is where every beginner artist skips practicing shapes because it gets very boring and doesn't look cool either. Just practice shapes for 5 to 10 minutes every day, like circles, cubes, triangles, cylinders, organic forms, and many more. By doing this practice, the structure of your art, as well as your confidence, will improve. Before practicing gesture drawing, first understand what is gesture drawing. So gesture drawing is a fast sketching technique in which we quickly capture the basic movement and energy of any figure, object, or pose. This is usually a short exercise of 20 seconds to 2 or 3 minutes, in which details are not so important. Rather, it is important to show flow, rhythm, and action. Its main goal is that the subject appears lively and dynamic, like someone is dancing or running. Gesture drawing is one such art exercise which makes your drawing alive. Whenever an artist creates a figure or character, if it doesn't have movement and energy, it will appear completely lifeless, like a stiff puppet. This is why it becomes important to learn gesture drawing, so that your sketches appear natural and dynamic. This practice teaches you to capture the soul of a pose, rather than just copying the lines and shapes. Imagine a dancer, his flow, his balance, his emotion. In gesture drawing, you should be able to clearly see how the pose is feeling. Details come later. First, you have to capture the emotion and motion. So what benefits do you get by doing this exercise? Improves observation skills, makes drawing more dynamic, builds confidence in sketching, and helps in understanding anatomy. So basically, you have to practice gestures for 20-30 minutes every day. This will improve both your speed and accuracy. You will be able to break down any complex figure in seconds. Learning to draw anatomy can be a little tricky, but by following basic rules, you can easily draw simple anatomy. First, start with simple shapes like circles, ovals, and rectangles that represent different parts of the body. For example, for the head, a circle and a line down the middle. Divide the circle into 2 parts. Similarly, for the torso and hips, use rectangular and triangle shapes, and similarly use cylinder shapes for the arms and legs. Initially, you have to use reference photos for simple poses, which are real-life photos. So basically, now divide the reference photo into shape, or else say print it. Now you have to draw the shapes of the reference photo freehand. So by using these 2 methods, you will slowly start seeing improvement. Drawing anatomy is a very complex subject. A lot of time and energy has to be devoted to it. But when you will see the result gradually, it will motivate you more. You have to follow the flow, not perfection. Keep it simple. Keep it moving.